Good day or good evening everyone, especially to you ma'am. We are the Group 10 presenter. I am Marilyn Salim with my co-reporter Ms. Sarah May Sabdullah and Mr. Bahnaren Sali. Our topic is all about paragraph development with types, writing thesis statement, and topics sentences. So, at the end of this topic or lesson, the student should be able to identify the different types of paragraphs and their purposes, development well-structured paragraph using clear topic sentences and supporting details, compose focused thesis statements that present the main idea of a text, write effective topic sentences that connect to the thesis and guide paragraph development. My assigned topic is all about thesis statement. Writing thesis statements is an important part of academic work because it guides the directions of your entire essay or research paper. A strong thesis helps you stay focused on your topic and gives your readers a clear idea of what the paper will be about. It serves as the foundation of your writing, making your argument or purpose easier to understand. So meaning the thesis statement is like the heart of your entire paper. When you write a thesis, you are telling the reader what your main idea or argument is. Without a good thesis, your writing can become confusing or unfocused because you do not have a clear direction. So a strong thesis helps you stay on track while writing, and it helps your reader understand what they should expect from your paper. So what is the thesis statement? A thesis statement is the main idea or central argument of your paper. It explains what you plan to prove or discuss, usually appearing at the end of the introduction. So this statement helps reader understand the purpose of your writing and prepares them for the points and evidence you will present throughout the essay. Meaning the thesis statement gives the main point or argument you want to prove. It is not a questions or just a descriptions of the topic. Instead, it makes a claim or expresses a position. So that is why it is usually found at the end of the introduction. So after you give background information about your topic, you must show the reader your main point. So this statement becomes the guide for the entire essay. So and everything you write after it, you should support or explain that main idea. So thesis statement have a key characteristics. First is clear and specific, so not too broad. Meaning, clear and specific, your thesis should not be or too broad. It must tell exactly what your argument is or what your point to your topic. The second one is arguable, so not a simple or obvious fact. So meaning it should be something that people might disagree with. A thesis is not a simple fact. It is an idea that needs evidence to support it. So you need to support your idea or thesis to prove or to prove your thesis. The third one is focused on one main idea. So focus on one idea. Do not try to include too many ideas at once. A strong thesis talks about one main point only. And the last one is gives direction to the entire paper. So the terms gives direction. The thesis helps you organize your essay. It also tells your reader what kind of information and arguments they will read. So I have the examples of good thesis statement. The first example is social media negatively affects students' concentrations and academic performance. So for this statement makes a clear claim about an effect and can be supported with evidence. Number two example is recycling programs reduce environmental waste and help communities save money. So on this statement, this has two specific benefits, the environmental and economic. When we say environmental, makikita naman dito sa example na the recycling programs reduce environmental waste and helps communities save money, and the economic. So the main point here is the environmental and economic. The third example is online learning improves accessibility for students in remote areas. So this statement focus on one advantage and gives a clear direction. So next reporter.
Good day, ma'am, and assalamualaikum. Today, we will discuss all about topic sentence. A topic sentence is the main point or idea of a paragraph, usually stated as the first sentence in acts as a mini thesis for the paragraph, with all subsequent sentence providing support, details, and evidence for the claim made in the topic sentence. Topic sentences also connect to the essay's main thesis, acting as a roadmap for the reader. So, what is a topic sentence? A topic sentence is the sentence that tells the main idea of the paragraph. So, ito ang nagsasabi kung tungkol saan ang discussion, explanation, o kwento sa loob ng paragraph. Think of it as the leader of the paragraph. Kapag nabasa mo ito, alam mo agad ang direksyon ng ideas mo or ang binabasa mo. Although the topic sentence are usually found at the beginning of the paragraph, writers may place them in the middle of, or at the end to create emphasis or variety. Now, why is the topic sentence important? So, the topic sentence plays a major role in helping both the writer and the reader. So, meaning, ang topic sentence ay natutulungan nito ang mga manunulat or mga mambabasa. It gives a sense of focus. Kapag malinaw ang topic sentence, mas madali mong ma-organize ang supporting details, example and explanation, because you know exactly what point you are trying to make for the reader. The topic sentence acts as a guide. Parang signpost ito na nagsasabi kung ano ang impormasyon ang darating without a topic sentence. The paragraph might feel confusing, unorganized, or off-topic. So, another important function of the topic sentence is controlling the unity of the paragraph. Lahat ng supporting daw na sentence, whether these are packed, example, reason, or explanation, should be connected to the topic sentence. Kapag may sentence na hindi related, iyon ay tinatawag na off-topic at dapat alisin sa sentence. In short, the topic sentence keeps the paragraph unified and coherent, making the reader understand the message more clearly. So, next talk about the qualities of strong topic sentence. The qualities of strong topic sentence. Number 1 is clear. Number 2 is specific. Number 3, controllable. Number 4, direct and concise. Number 5 is interesting. So, a good topic sentence should be, number 1 daw is clear. Dapat madaling maintindihan. Hindi begyo o malabo ang pagkakasulat, pag-iintindi. Number 2 is specific. Hindi sobrang broad, may focus na pwedeng i-explain. Sa number 3 is controllable. Kaya mong suportahan gamit ang details or at ang examples. Sa number 4 naman daw is direct and concise. Hindi masyadong mahaba at hindi paikot-ikot yung binabasa. Number 5 is interesting. Dapat to capture the reader attention, especially if the topic is complex. Example of a strong topic sentence. Regular exercise improves not only physical health but also mental well-being. From this sentence down, the reader already knows that the paragraph will discuss how exercise benefits both the body and the mind. The supporting sentence will then expand on its benefits. Other example: responsible use of social media helps teenagers avoid misinformation and online conflict. This tells us immediately that the paragraph will explain how being careful online can prevent problems. Finally, to summarize the topic, sentence is the backbone of a well-structured paragraph. It presents the main idea, sets the tone, and guides both the writer and the reader. Without a clear topic sentence, the paragraph becomes scattered and difficult to understand. But with a strong and writing topic sentence, the paragraph becomes more organized, unified, and meaningful. And yun lang po, ma'am. Maraming salamat. Thank you.